Hello everyone, myself Snell Mate. I am from group number 6. We are under guidance of Miss Gayatri Guru ma'am. Here are my group members Sanika Mane, Shruti Kamble and Mrudulinika Hevale. Our track is problem solver. We have tried to find problems in university campus. Thank you.
Hello, and myself Shruti. I am 6. Discuss the 5 parameters and their subparameters for the uh, for the projects. First parameter is timely completion. We have uh, complete our project on time. So this is one of the most parameters. First, their subparameter is time to learn time the components. Uh, External dependency time for switching the time for survey field testing. Next parameter is knowledge impact. By doing this project, we are going to learn a lots of things. So this is one of the most important parameter. We have given 25 percentage for this. First is ARM PLC 8051 microcontroller protocol implementation, Wi-Fi protocol implementation like Wi-Fi, SIP, I2C, etc. Android app development, interdisciplinary, IoT, AI, machine learning, blockchain, robotics, IP. Next parameter is resource availability. For doing the project, we need a lot of things like research paper, mentor, components, hardware, software, training. So we have given 25% for this. Next is social aspect. We have given 25% weightage to this. First is ease of operation, sustainable, agricultural application, eco-friendly, alignment with government policy. And last, cost. We have given 5% weightage to this. Components, rendering, training, survey, enclosure, fabrication, keyboard preparation, public and presentation, and PCB costing. So our first problem is gardener cannot preciously detect the environmental condition around the plant. Smart plant water irrigation. By using the software and Android app as well as it to reduce manpower to create a device that will supply water to plants properly. So this is our solution. What exactly we are going to project is control the flow of water based on the moisture of soil and give the real-time surveillance to the owner stay far away from the garden. By using the MQTT protocol and the app development, we are going to implement this project. So according to the parameters, we have given the markings. First, timely completion. For time to learn new technology, we have given 0 marks because in this we are going to learn MQTT protocol and it will take time, so we have given 0 marks. Next is time for sourcing the components. Components are easily available online as well as in the market, so we have given 1 mark. External dependency on fabrication. For the fabrication, it will take time, so we have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing the hardware software too, we have given 0 marks. Time for survey field testing, we have given 1 marks because we are going to do a survey on Google Docs. So it is an online survey. So we have given 1 marks. It will not take time. The total marks is 2. Knowledge impact. In this project, we are going to implement this project on the ARM processor. So we have given 1 marks. Protocol implementation, we have given 1 marks. Our Android app development, we have given 1 marks. Interdisciplinary, we have given 1 marks. Because this project is also related with agriculture, so we have given 1 marks. IoT, robotics, AI, machine, blockchain, image processing. In this project, we are going to implement as well as we are using the IoT. Also, we have given 1 marks. The total marks is 5. So, survivability. The Mentor we have given 1 marks. Literature we have given 1 marks because research papers are available. Next is components we have given 1 marks. For training we have given 1 marks, and software hardware tool we have given 0 marks. The total marks are 4. Next is social aspects. It is easy to operate. From the user point of view, it's very easy to operate. By using the app, he can operate it. Sustainable, our product is sustainable. So we have given 1 marks. Universal application, anywhere this project can use. So we have given 1 marks. Eco-friendly, the project is not harmful for the environment. So we have given 1 marks. And government policy, we have given 0 marks. So total marks are 4. Next, cost. Component costs approximately, the components cost is 4,050. Training cost 1,000. Enclosure fabrication cost 2,000. For the survey, we are going to do an online survey. So for this, there is a no cost. Mentoring 1,500. Report preparation 3,000 for all the group members. Public presentation 1,000, and PCB costing is 3,000. The total cost is 15,750. So this is.
Hello everyone, myself Snell Mate, and now we will discuss about problem second. So here is problem second. The water tank is completely filled and overflowing. So we will find out the solution about this project. So it is a smart tank sending notification to users mobile via through Android app and MQTT protocol. Filling the water tank completely and overflowing has become a common problem in the society. For that we can use ultrasonic sensor and MQTT protocol, Android app to stop when the tank is overflow through the mobile phone. One can also software like Raspberry Pi while doing this project. So here are 5 parameters. First is timely completion, second is knowledge impact, third is resource availability, fourth is social aspect, fifth is cost. So first sub parameter is time to learn new technology. We have given 0. We have given 0 marks. Second is time for sourcing components. We have given 1 marks because components is easily available in market as well as online. So that's why we have given 1 marks. External dependency fabrication. It does not in this project does not external dependency. So that's why we have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing the hardware software tools. We have given 0 marks. Time for survey field testing, we have given 1 mark, total is 2 marks. Second is knowledge impact. STM32 Raspberry Pi ARM 8051 PLC. We have given 1 marks because its project depends on ARM processor, so that's why we have given 1 marks. Protocol implementation, we have given 1 marks. Android app development, we have given 1 mark because we have made a new Android app, so that's why we have given 1 marks. Interdisciplinary, we have given 0 marks. IoT, robotics, AI machine, blockchain, image processing, we have given 1 marks because it's project based on IoT, so that's why we have given 1 marks. Total is 4 marks. Third parameter is resource availability. Mentor, we have given 1 marks because mentor is available, so that's why we have given 1 marks. Literature, resource papers available online as well as.
Problem B. Garbage being overflow and garbage being spilled out from the bins can seen all around. This leads to various diseases as large number of insects and the mosquitoes. This is a very common problem in India. So the solution is smart dustbin. Smart dustbin is a system which eradicates this problem or the least reduce it minimum. So in this project, what we are exactly going to do is the system bring node MCU linked with ultrasonic sensor as well as the MQTT protocol. Ultrasonic sensor measure the amount of waste in the trash can it sends the reading to MCU, which analyzes the level, and it will exist threshold value, and it notifies the user via app that will dustbin is full and that should be empty it as soon as possible. During this period, the MCU constantly linked with MQTT protocol, and the level of dustbin constantly display on the app index. So according to the parameters, these all markings we have given. Uh, First is timely completion. Time to learn new technology. As I told you, we are going to implement this project. They are going MQTT protocol. So we need to learn this. So we have given 0 marks. It will take time. Time for sourcing the components. Components are available in the market as well as in online. So we have given 1 mark. External dependency and fabrication, we have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing the hardware software tool, we have given 0 marks. Time for survey, we are going to take an online survey. We have given 1 marks. So it will not take too much time. So we have given the total marks is 2. Knowledge impact. We are going to do this project on Node MCU controller. So we have given 1 marks. Protocol implementation. We are going to implement the protocol. So we have given 1 mark. Android app development, we have given 1 mark. Interdisciplinary, we have given 0 marks. IoT, robotics, AM machine, learning, blockchain, image processing, we have given 1 mark. So total marks are 4. Resource availability, parameters. Mentor, we have given 1 marks. Search, literature, we have given 1 marks. Because research paper are already available and lots of are also available. So we have given 1. Components, we have given 1 marks. Training, we have given 1 mark. Software, hardware tool, we have given 1 mark. 12 marks are 5. Social aspects, easy to operate, we have given 1 mark. Sustainable, we have given 1 mark. Universal application, we have given 1 marks. Eco-friendly, we have given 1 marks. And government policies like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So we have given 1 marks. Total marks are 5. Component cost is 3,000. Training is 1,000. Enclosure and fabrication 1,000. For the survey, we have given 0. Mentoring 500. Report preparation 3,000. Public presentation 1,000. And PCB costing is 1,000. Total cost is 14,000.
Here is problem 4. Problem 4 is whenever the water jar gets empty, the individual has to call peon again and again, and it's also problem to check peon whether the jar is empty or not. So we will find out the solution of this project. It is a smart water jar. Sending notification to user mobile via Android app and using MQTT protocol. Its application, it's easily accessible via the internet. Time saving, easily operate. Means operator's point of view, it's easily operate. Data, take data from ultrasonic sensor and given notification on user's mobile. It is 5 parameters. First is timely completion, second knowledge impact, third resource availability, fourth social aspect, fifth cost. First is time to learn new technology. We have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing components, we have given 1 marks. Because components is easily available online as well as offline market, so that's why we have given 1 mark. External dependency fabrication, we have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing the hardware software tool, we have given 0 marks. Time for survey, we have given 1 marks. Total is 2 marks. Knowledge impact, STM32, Raspberry Pi, ARM 8051 PLC, we have given 1 marks because its projects based on ARM processor, so that's why we have given 1 marks. Protocol implementation, we have given 1 marks. Android app development, we have given 1 marks. Interdisciplinary, we have given 0 marks. IoT, robotics, AI machine, blockchain, image processing, we have given 1 marks because it's project based on IoT, So that's why we have given 1 marks. Total 4. Parameter mentor 1 marks because mentor is available. So that's why we have given 1 marks. Literature resource paper available online as well as offline. So that's why we have given 1 marks. Components easily available. So that's why we have given 1 marks. Training we have given 1 marks. Software hardware tools we have given 0 marks. So total is 4 marks. Social aspect easy to operate we have given 1 marks because point of view of operator its device easy to operate, so that's why we have given 1 mark. Sustainable we have given 1 mark. Universal application we have given 1 mark. Eco-friendly it's not harmful for nature, so that's why we have given 1 mark. Alignment government policy we have given 0 marks, so total is 4 marks. Cost is components 4,000 rupees, training 1,000 rupees, enclosure fabrication 2,000 rupees, survey 0, mentoring 500, report preparation 3,000 rupees, public presentation 1,000 rupees, PCB costing 3,000 rupees. Total is 15,500 rupees.
Hello everyone, myself Sanika Mane. We are discuss problem 5. Problem is for career oriented women, it is difficult to handle home together with job, work. Rough surface area like concrete floor covered with heavy dust which consumes longer time. So cleaning and it also consumes human energy. So solution is floor cleaning robot. Robot for floor cleaning application reduce much time as well as human effort in existence and sending notification to user mobile by Android web developed using Java language and MQTT protocol. So this project working is also controlled by phone app by Bluetooth by using 3 ultrasonic sensor. One looks in the front, one looks left and one looks right. Switch is used between autonomous and manual modes. This rotating knob at the front movement use lithium ion batteries instead of bulky lead acid batteries, which gives us more capacity and smaller size. We can also control the flow of water, which I used glucose drip infusion machine. So these are the parameters and sub parameter in a floor cleaning robot. In this project we have given marks according to the sub parameters. So first is a timely completion and sub parameters is first is time to learn new technology, second is time for sourcing component, third is external dependency fabrication, fourth is time for sourcing hardware software tool, and fifth is time for survey field testing. So first is the time to learn new technology. So we have learned new technology, so we have given 0 marks. Second is the time for sourcing components are easily available, so we have given 1 marks. And third is external dependency fabrication. This project does not require external dependency, so we have given 0 marks. Time for sourcing hardware tools is 0. Time for survey field testing is 1. So total marks is 2. Parameter is resource availability and sub parameter first is mentor, second is literature, third is component, fourth is training and fifth is software hardware tool. Second parameter is resource ability and sub parameter is first is mentor, second is literature, third is component, fourth is training and fifth is software. Mentor, first is mentor, we need in mentor, so we have given 1 marks. Second is literature, information are easily available as well as research papers are easily available Google, so we have given 1 marks. Components, third is components are easily available in market as well as online, and so we have given 1 mark. Fourth is training, so this project fourth is training. Fourth is turner, so we have given 1 marks. Software hardware tools is 0. Fourth is turner, so we have given 1 marks. Software hardware tools is 0. Third parameter is knowledge impact and sub parameter First is the STM32 Raspberry Pi ARM 8051 PLC. Second is the protocol implementation. Third is Android app development. Fourth is interdisciplinary. Fifth is IoT, robotic, machine learning, blockchain, image processing. So first is STM3 Raspberry Pi ARM 8051. In this project, learn Raspberry Pi. So we have given 1 mass. Protocol we can learn, so we have given 1 month. Android app development project we have developed app, so we have given 1 month. Interdisciplinary 1 month. IoT, robotic, AI, machine learning, blockchain, image processing. This project is IoT based, so we have given 1 marks. Fourth parameter is social accept, and subparameter is first is easy to operate, second is sustainable, third is universal application, fourth is eco-friendly, and fifth is eligible government. First is easily operate from user point of view, so we have given 1 mark. Second is sustainable is 1. Third is universal application. Is 1. This project components and hardware is not harmful to society. So this project is eco-friendly, so we have given 1 mark. Eligible government policy is 0, so total marks is 4. Fifth parameter is a cost, and subparameter first is component, second is training, third is enclosure, fourth is survey, fifth is mentoring, sixth is report preparation, seventh is public presentation, 8 PCB costing. This project components is 5,000, training is 1,000, enclosure fabrication is 2,000, survey 1,000, mentoring is 1,500, report preparation is 3,000, presentation is 1,000, and 8 is PCB costing 3,000, so total is 17,000. This is a matrix table. According to project parameters. We have given marks in 5 scale into matrix table. So these topics becomes our final project.